Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. So, today I decided to make this series essentially discussing the best features on the Shape of Flower platform and essentially what you can do and how you can get the best out of the platform because it's an amazing platform, but it's so easy to use at the same time that this tutorial will essentially enhance your experience. So, let's discuss the homepage. Now, as you can see, this is the Shape of Flower homepage that you get when you search up shapeofflower.org. Now, as you can see, you have two buttons here, Become a Mentor and Find a Mentor. In addition to that, you also have what we do, our events, check out our blog, which is an amazing feature that I'll be posting articles about some of the ways students can improve on their school experience and just life in general. In addition to that, we have this amazing feature called Community, which essentially is a platform and a place where students can discuss and help each other out at any time. So, first, let's talk about the feature called Find Your Mentor, where you can book a mentor if you're a mentee or a student who is interested in getting help in either a subject or life in general. So, let's click on that. So what should open up for you is the art services page, and obviously more courses will be coming soon. So if you're interested in something specific like Zumba dancing or something else, some other course, potentially law, let's just say, those things will be coming in the next week. So if you haven't found what you're looking for, keep coming back, and I'm sure we'll find something that fits you. So as you can see, we have some general content here. We have some life skills, so mentors that can essentially mentor in life skills, healthy living and exercise, drama. These are general services. Now, let's say you're in need of help with grade 10 math, right? So what do you do? Well, you click on the grade 10, and as you can see, we have some incredible courses here. So we have English, French, math, science, history, and many others that will be coming in soon. So you need help with grade 10 math. Well, as you can see, every session will be an hour long. What you want to do is you want to click on the Book Now button. That should take you into the booking system where you'll write your name. Well, first of all, you'll schedule it, and then you'll write your name, last name, and your email to register. So, let's say you want to register for a specific date. Let's say you're available on the 30th, let's say. Well, you can click on the various dates that we have, right? And you can take a look and see who's available. So, for instance, right, on the 5 p.m., so on Thursday, 30th, October 30th, I believe, we have essentially two mentors available. So we have Anna and we have Jenny. So you can select either one of them. But let's say your go-to mentor has always been Anna, right? So how do you just find her schedule? Well, you just click on Anna, and it would show you essentially the dates that would be available, right? So if we look at the 30th, right, we can see the possible dates. She's available at 4, so from 4 to 5, and from 5 to 6, so we can book her like that. The easiest way would be to just click next. You would write your name, you would write your email, your phone number, and you would add a short message saying, let's say, I need help with factoring polynomials, right? And maybe you'll write a few more sentences describing your problem and all that stuff. And then you would just click the book it button, and essentially what that would do is it would send a message and a link to your email, and it would send you a link for Zoom. So let's say on the 30th at 5 p.m., you and Anna can just click on that Zoom link, and you can start working and growing together. So yeah. Let's discuss another common feature, and this is truly an amazing feature at the Shape of Flower, right? So let's discuss the community feature, and it's absolutely brilliant what the coding team have created here. So The way you get to the community page is by clicking over here. Now, as you can see here, we have a lot of different categories, a lot of different possibilities, which is so exciting, right? So you have the general discussions, you have the academics and literacy discussion where you can go there and ask questions about math, English, stuff like that. Job skills, potential interviews or jobs available. You can see some of the most recent posts down below. Obviously, life skills mentoring and sports and healthy living. But let's just say you wanted to go into general discussion and just talk to people and chill and hang out. So as you can see, there are a lot of people posting stuff over here. Why should you join the Shape of Flower? A message from the CEO. Welcome aboard. Hope you're all excited as we are. It's a positive community. That's what we're trying to bring to the Shape of Flower. Right? So if you want to see some positivity and just relax and talk with your friends, here's a great place to do that. And if you want to write a personal post, here's what you can do. You can create a new post, start a discussion, and write, hello everyone, let's put an exclamation mark, hope you are all well. Uh, let's put another exclamation mark, why not? Right, so as you can see, we wrote a message. If you wanted to attach a GIF or an emoji or any image that you have, you can do so below. You can even attach a video. And you can essentially do whatever you want with the platform, because you can post some insightful things, you can also post some messages of positivity and encouragement, and we're trying to build this positive community where people are helping each other out and essentially discussing things that are related to improvement and the Shape of Flower and all that stuff. So the way you would do that is you would publish, and voila, right? Your comment has been published, and you can see it when you go back to the general discussions. And as you can see, our comment's right here. Awesome. So another feature that I would like to show you is a very important feature to communicate with your friends and mentors and everybody else essentially. So here's the instant chat feature, and it's so important because you can talk to your friends, you can chat with them within a blink of an eye essentially. So what you want to do is you want to click on the button on the left. It's the chat button, and essentially what you'll have is you'll have a chat feature pop up. What you want to do is you want to click new chat, and a bunch of people that are going to pop up. So let's say I just want to talk to Aryan, let's say, right? So I would just search that up. I would click here, and I would write, hey man, oh awesome, okay, hey man, hope you are doing well, or you can write anything else that you want or to discuss with your friend or your mentor. And as you can see, once you post it here, your mentor or your friend will be able to see this and respond at a later date, right? So as you can see, we have our message here. What's also a very cool feature, oh, here it is. What's also a cool feature is you can create a group chat, right? So you can add multiple people. So let's say I want to add Adrian and Anna. You can do so too, right? Here we go. And then you would click next, and you would create that group chat. So it's very easy and very intuitive, the way you use the Shape of Flower platform. Now, that's great. So we've discussed that. Another amazing features that we want to show you is the blog. Now the blog is so important to keep track of, because it's essentially the news of the Shape of Flower. It's what we bring, the new stuff that we bring to the table, and it's essentially the excitement, like what's going on with essentially the Shape of Flower, and what are some of the things that you can do as a student to improve, best universities. We're going to be covering it all regarding youth and young adults, so stay tuned and keep on checking this news section or the blog section. So as you can see, we already have one article here. You can like the article, you can share it with any of your friends, And yeah, that's essentially how the article works, and you can read it over here. More articles will be coming out throughout the week, so stay tuned. Now, and this is an important feature as well. So as you can see, you have two incredible buttons here: become a mentor and find a mentor. Now, for those people who are interested in becoming a mentor, or essentially finding a mentor, and you just didn't know where to start or what to do, well, you can well, there are two buttons essentially. Or another way you can go to it is here, get involved, and you can click on any of these. But essentially, let's say you wanted to become a mentor. Well, you would just click on this button, and so essentially what you would see is essentially the becoming a mentor section. So here there's an amazing quote by Steven Spielberg, which essentially says, "The delicate balance of mentoring someone is not creating them in your own image, but giving them the opportunity to create themselves," which is absolutely awesome. So benefits of becoming a mentor. Did you know that 2 in 3 people will not have a mentor, and hence deprive themselves of incremental personal growth, advice, and opportunities? Here's a fun fact. And you also have some stuff about what makes a great mentor. It's a very easy page to use. Now, what you want to do if you want to become a mentor is you want to click on this sign up now button, and essentially that should lead you to a Google form that you would fill out and essentially work on. So the Google form has to be done by the mentor, as it's important for them to keep track of everything and become part of the team, because we put our mentors at the highest pedestal, and hence we want them to be the best people possible. So that's great. Now let's go and click on the find a mentor. Now this is also an important feature. Now essentially, if you're looking for a mentor, you must also do this form. So if you're a mentee, you should do this form, as it gives us a little bit more info on you. What are your preferences, what you like, which time zones work, which time zones don't work for you, because not necessarily everybody will be living in, let's say, Toronto or a specific city like that. So as you can see, here are some things that the mentor can help you with. But in addition to that, so we're on the looking for a mentor page. So if you're a mentee, what you want to be doing is, as I've said before, you want to be clicking on either one of these two buttons in order to fill up a form, essentially for us to get to know you better. So you just click on this form, and it should again open up a Google Doc for you, which you would fill out. It's very short. We just want to know which courses you are excited about, which grade you're in, and stuff like that, and also the privacy terms and agreements. So yeah, that's essentially the application for mentees. Therefore, ladies and gentlemen, in conclusion, there are a variety of exciting events that will be happening regarding the Shape of Life. You can see we have an event section that will be popping off in the next couple of weeks, with exciting podcasts from universities, talks, and essentially general discussions. So it will be a lot of fun, and that's why you should be staying tuned with everything regarding to the Shape of Flower, with either the newsletter or following any of our platforms, which we'll be adding more of as the time goes by. So, ladies and gentlemen, hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, just follow all of our platforms and stay tuned for more info. Bye bye.